Good morning, children. Sairam. Today we will do English New Voices. Chapter 12 Down the Rabbit Hole. Look at this picture. When you look at this picture, you will remember, right? So, looking in this picture only, you remember Alice was sitting by her sister on a bank. Sister was reading a book, and Alice, when she found that the book was without pictures or conversation, she started feeling bored. Then suddenly she saw a rabbit, a white rabbit with pink eyes, pass close by her. And then she started following the rabbit. And what was the strange thing about the rabbit? The rabbit wore a waistcoat with pocket, and he was having the pocket watch. Right? She followed the rabbit, and rabbit it popped down the rabbit hole. So she also, Alice, without considering anything, she jumped into the rabbit hole following the rabbit. Then what happened, children? Then either the well was very deep, the rabbit hole, which was a tunnel, and the well was very deep, or her fall was very slow. So she came across a different scene. She tried to look down, but it was too dark. Then she saw the sides of the well, and there were bookshelves, cupboards. Remember, children? Yes. Then she was wondering that how long or how far she has reached. Whether she has reached the center of the earth, she might be an, or the which latitude or longitude she has reached. And at the same time her thoughts were going on. Then started remembering about her pet. Who was the pet? Dina, her pet cat. And then what happened? Suddenly thump thump, and she fall on a heap of dry leaves and sticks. So that is about her fall. And we know that this chapter is an extract from Alice Adventures in Wonderland. So now we will do activity from the textbook. And this activity is word cline. Now let's see what it is. A word cline is an arrangement of similar or related words in a specified order based on their qualities. For example, the words are snail-like, sluggish, slow, quick, fast, swift, rapid, blistering, supersonic. Now all these words, they are related to speed. Now when we say snail-like, means very slow or very very slow. Sluggish, very slow. Then slow, then we can also say slow, or opposite of fast. Quick, fast. Then we say swift, very fast. Rapid, then supersonic, very fast or fastest. So now these all words, they are related to speed. And these words, they are arranged in increasing order of intensity. So our activity is arrange these list of related words in increasing order of intensity. And this we have to arrange from weakest to strongest. Like children in maths, we have studied about the ascending order. Remember, from smallest to biggest. So same here, we are going to arrange in the increasing order of intensity from weakest to strongest. First one is, the words are sip, sweet, swallow, gulp. Now these words, you know, they are related to eating or drink. So let's see their meaning. They will help us to arrange. Now when we say sip, now what do you mean by sip? To drink in small amounts. When we say sip, even we offer drink to our friend. Okay, take a sip. So it is to drink in small amounts. Swig, to drink, especially by swallowing large amounts. Then swallow, to make food, drink, etc. go down your throat into your stomach. And gulp, gulp is to swallow large amounts of food or drink quickly. So children, now will you be able to arrange? Yes. So first one we have to arrange from weakest to strongest. So first which word will come? First it will come sip, right? To drink in small amounts. Then swallow, right? Swig. Now swig is drink to drink, especially by swallowing large amounts. So second is swallow, third is swig, and fourth is gulp. So let's check the answers. Answer is sip, swallow, swig, gulp. Second one now. Words are wreck, destroy, damage, spoil. Right? Let's see their meaning. When we say wreck, it is to destroy or badly damage something. Second one is destroy, to damage something so severely that it no longer exists. Damage, to harm or spoil something. And spoil is to change something good into bad. Right? So let's arrange. First word will be, first one will come spoil. That is, you are changing something good to bad. Right? And then comes damage. That is to harm or spoil. So damage. Third one is destroy. And fourth one is wreck. So answer. Question is wreck, destroy, damage, spoil. Answer is spoil, damage, destroy, wreck. Now next one. Words are shining, sparkling, glittering, dazzling. Now these all words are related. They are similar related words, right? So let's see their meaning. When we say shining, it's glowing, shining. Sparkling, shining brightly. Glittering, giving off many flashes of light. And dazzling is very bright. Yes children, now you answer, arrange. And you have to arrange from weakest to strongest, right? So first word will be, yes, shining. First one is shining. Second one is sparkling. That is shining brightly. So first shining, then sparkling, glittering and dazzling. So the answer is shining, sparkling, glittering, dazzling. And they have given the words only in that order, right? So this is the answer. Next one is pretend, fake, phony, bogus. Now pretend. The meaning of word pretend is to behave as if something is true when you know that it is not, right? Sometimes we pretend to be happy. So, or we pretend. Or you even pretend to have stomachache and all, correct? So, this is to behave as if something is true when you know that it is not. Fake, to make something seem real in order to deceive people. Deceive people means cheat people, right? And then phony. Phony is false or not real and intended to deceive someone. Bogus, pretending to be real or genuine. So, we are going to arrange them. First word will be now pretend. First only we behave as if something is true, right? Then fake. third phony, bogus. So they have given the words only in that order. Answer is pretend, fake, phony, bogus. Next one is boring, dull, tedious, uninteresting. Boring, dull, tedious, uninteresting. So, first one is boring. What is the meaning? Not interesting or exciting. Dull, not interesting or exciting. So, you can say they are similar. But first we feel bored. If it is continuing for a long time, dull, right? Dull is also same thing. Tedious, too long, slow or dull. Uninteresting means not interesting or boring. So the words are related, very much similar, right? Okay. So let's arrange them from weakest to strongest. First thing what will come? Uninteresting. Uninteresting is not interesting. So first thing is not interesting. And then what happens after that? You start feeling bored, right? Boring. And then dull. And then tedious. That is, it is too long or too slow or dull. So answer is, question is boring, dull, tedious, uninteresting. Answer uninteresting, boring, dull, tedious. Let's see the meaning. Lump. Lump is a solid piece of something that does not have a regular shape. Particle. A very small piece of something. Speck. A very small spot or mark. Chunk. A thick solid piece. So let's arrange them. First one, what will come? Yes, speck. A very small spot or mark. Then particle, a very small piece of something. Then lump, a solid piece of something that does not have a regular shape. And the last one is chunk, a thick solid piece. So question is lump, particle, speck, chunk. And the answer is speck, particle, lump, chunk. So this is the activity, word climb. And we have arranged the similar related words according to intensity from weakest to strongest. Now here is an assignment. Now you have to do it, children. It is make a list of 8 words that mean happy. So you know, happy. Many times we wish happy Diwali or some festival like that, happy. Even we say, which is another word, Christmas. What we say? Merry Christmas. So meaning is same. Happy means merry. So like that you have to find 8 words. Which are the other words? Glad. Correct? Or we say delight. So like that we have to find 8 words that mean happy. So children, here we have completed chapter 12, Down the Rabbit Hole. Thank you. Sai Ram.